Good morning. I just woke up and it's a very lazy morning. I woke up it's around 11 right now, and trust me, I wake up this late every day. I wake up usually around 11:30 because I cannot function before that, and I sleep also late. I sleep around 3 o'clock, so it makes sense, 3 to 4 p.m. I know, quite late, but I'm not an early riser or early sleeper either. So this works with me, the routine. And yeah, today's video is a what I eat in a day. Now it actually keeps fluctuating, so it's not same any day, because I'm not someone who can have the same meal, maybe same breakfast or any meal same every day. I need new food every day, and I am the one usually who cooks at my place, so I have that liberty to do things on my own pace, the way I like, cook the food that I want, eat it. And I live with my brother. He's not clumsy at all, and he eats everything that I make, so that's pretty cool for me. So yeah, without further ado, let me show you what I eat in a day, and let's get started. So guys, मैं 11 बजे उठी थी और मैंने उसके बाद पानी पिया था, जैसा आपने देखा होगा. Now I'm having actually pre-breakfast around 12 बजे. I know very late, but I cannot have like solid food उठते ही. मतलब solid food, yeah, but not like something heavy. So I prefer starting my day with fruits, and today I'm having some guava. Usually I have apples, but आज मेरा apple का बिल्कुल मन नहीं था. So I'm having guava for a change. And while I have to do some posting on Myntra because I create content there, तो मैं बस उस पर पोस्ट करते करते ये खाऊंगी, and then we will move towards our breakfast, which is also my lunch. So that's me, and Myntra का जो studio होता है उस पर basically I have to post because I'm part of their program. This is my last piece that I'm finishing off, and yeah. Guys, it's time for my breakfast. और क्योंकि मैं इतना लेट उठती हूँ तो मेरा ब्रेकफास्ट का इतना स्कोप नहीं होता है, एंड आई कैन नॉट हैव समथिंग हैवी. तो मैंने आपको दिखाया, मैं उठते ही पहले फ्रूट खाती हूँ. देन फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट आई यूजुअली प्रेफर लाइक ब्रेड और समथिंग विच इज़ लाइक एक्चुअली माई प्री ब्रेकफास्ट, बिकॉज मैं यूजुअली लंच में ब्रेकफास्ट आइटम्स खाती हूँ. आई नो वेरी वियर्ड, बट दैट्स हाउ आई वर्क. तो राइट नाउ इट्स अराउंड 12:30ish, and I'm having some peanut butter toast and dry fruits, and after having this I'll go freshen up, take a bath, because I have to head out for an introduction, जिसके बारे में भी बताऊँगी कुछ देर में, but पहले let's eat it. So these are 2 multigrain breads, and yep, multigrain because I avoid even brown breads because उसमें भी मैदा होता ही है at times. And this is Viva peanut butter, थोड़े से dry fruits, and let's eat it. Guys, I'm ready, and as I told, I'm heading out for an audition, which is with a modeling agency basically. So they called me and they wanted to have some shots and intro, so I'm going there, and a very basic look because they wanted basic and like minimal makeup. So I'm wearing white like jeans and basic cami top, and now let's go. Back to my home, and I got my periods, so I feel very annoyed, very bloated, irritated. Now I don't feel like eating lunch, so I'm not gonna eat anything. I just want to have water. Here's सारा पानी, तो मैं ढेर सारा पानी पी. So here is a little thing about me. I don't drink water from plastic bottles. घर पे I have my own copper bottle, and this has been with me from past 2.5 years, I think. एंड मैं इसी से पानी पीती हूँ या फिर स्टील के ग्लास से, बट आई स्ट्रिक्टली डू नॉट कीप प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स एट माई होम. लाइक एक रहती है एक्स्ट्रा हमेशा स्पेयर, बट बोथ मी एंड माई ब्रदर हैव आवर ओन कॉपर बॉटल्स और हम इसी से पानी पीते हैं. Cheers. पानी की प्यास से सिर्फ पानी बुझा सकता है. नाउ आई क्विकली रिमूव माई मेकअप और मुझे एक दो रील्स लेनी है ब्रांड प्रोडक्ट शॉर्ट्स का, सो आई एम गोना टेक दैट. और पहले मेकअप हटाते हैं बिकॉज वो विदाउट मेकअप लेना है, सो लेट्स रिमूव इट. सो गाइज मेरी दीदी अभी अभी काम करके गई हैं. आई हैवंट गेट रिमूव मेकअप बिकॉज आई वाज टू लेजी और मुझे क्रैम्प्स हो रहे थे. नाउ आई एम बर्तन बाद में सेट करूँगी. आई एम गोना कुक उपमा बिकॉज इट्स अराउंड 3, तो मुझे लंच करना है जो कि मेरा ब्रेकफास्ट आइटम है. बट या एंड उपमा लोग बहुत तरीके से बनाते हैं, बट मैं ना थोड़ा अलग बनाती हूँ. आई कुक इट हाउ माई दादी यूज्ड टू कुक. तो मैं सब्जियाँ नहीं डालती हूँ एक्सेप्ट लाइक अनियंस, नथिंग. एंड आई विल शो यू गाइस. तो लेट्स कुक. मैंने सब प्रेप कर लिया. देयर इज लाइक सूजी विच आई हैव टू रोस्ट. देयर इज पीनट्स, अ लॉट ऑफ इट. कड़ी पत्ता के बिना मेरा उपमा इनकम्प्लीट है. देन आई हैव क्या कहते हैं, मिर्ची एंड अनियन. सो लेट कट अनियंस. और मीनवाइल मैं अपना उपमा नहीं, मैं अपना सूजी रोस्टिंग पे लगाऊंगी. लेट्स ओपन विंडो. लेट्स डू इट. ये थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा. ऐसे मुझे गैस ऑन करना आता है, बट पता नहीं कभी हो नहीं रहा था. तो मैंने कभी खाना बनाते रिकॉर्ड नहीं करा है. बट या सो मैं थोड़ा सा मस्टर्ड ऑयल डाल रही हूँ. आई डोंट यूज़ रिफाइंड फॉर एनीथिंग एक्सेप्ट लाइक फ्राइंग आइटम्स बिकॉज आई डोंट फील इट्स गुड इनफ. तो ये जब थोड़ा गर्म हो जाएगा मस्टर्ड ऑयल में, यू हैव टू लाइक लेट इट गेट वार्म थोड़ा सा. उसमें मैं फिर ये सूजी भूनूंगी until it turns like brownish, जिससे मेरा उपमा बहुत टेस्टी बने और सूजी कच्ची ना लगे. आई एम प्रिटी श्योर आई एम नॉट द ओनली वन जो कुकिंग करते हुए बीच में खाता रहता थोड़ा बहुत. So I take this laddu. It's a dry fruit laddu with I think gond and a lot of kishmish and stuff. Very heavy. Shlok's mom got it for me, so I'm eating it. So let's eat it. Guys, मैं सूजी डाल चुकी हूँ और मैं इसको हल्का सा भून रही हूँ. अभी you can see. और मैं एक हाथ से खा भी रही हूँ. So multitasking at its best. तो मैंने उसी कढ़ाई में तेल वापस डाला है और मैं जो सूजी भून चुकी है वो मैंने ट्रांसफ़र कर ली है उसी प्लेट में. नाउ यू कैन सी इट वाज वाइट बट अभी ये ब्राउन हो चुकी है. तो इसका जब उपमा बनेगा तो टेस्ट और अच्छा आता है. नाउ अभी तेल गर्म होगा तो इसमें सबसे पहले आई एम गोना पुट सम राई. मैं राई बाकी मसालों से अलग रखती हूँ बिकॉज इट गेट्स मिक्स वेरी इजली, बहुत उछलती है. सो आई एम गोना ऐड सम चिलीज, अनियंस, peanuts, rye. Let's do it. मैंने सब कुछ मिक्स कर दिया है. आई एम जस्ट स्टिरिंग एवरीथिंग. आई एम गोना ऐड नमक, मिर्च, एंड दैट्स द ओनली मसाला वी आर पुटिंग इन. और सबको अच्छे से हम होने देंगे. ऐड द सूजी नाउ. Let's add water. पानी ज़्यादा लग रहा है, but trust me, सूजी सब absorb कर लेती है. We let it cook on simmer. Guys, upma is ready. This is how the upma looks. And I know thoda watery lag raha hoga maybe, but it thickens as it cooks. And yeah, upma is ready. I love this. Trust me, ये रेसिपी ट्राई करके देखना, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा डिलिशियस होती है. So I'll have it in some time. Till then, yeah, that was my
A few moments later.
Then in evening, Shlok had sent some waffles for me because I was on periods and I love satisfying my period cravings with something sweet. So yeah, it was quite sweet and I enjoyed the waffle a lot. So guys, it's around 4 and I'm preparing for dinner abhi se because since I cook, I like to keep my evenings free. तो मैं अभी से dinner का prep कर लेती हूँ पूरा, like सब्जी दाल जो भी होता है, I make it अभी. Only even rice भी अगर बनना होता है, only roti is one thing that I make fresh. So today I'm making palak paneer. I have blanched the palak and I have already like put onion and tomato to grinding. So I'll show you the process. So let's cook palak paneer. So the mixer has my onion and tomatoes and I'm gonna just grind them up. And my palak is right here. So we will blend this also. But pehle ye ho jaye, so let's do it. So guys, one thing about me, I use iron kadhai, which is lohe ki kadhai, because my dadi used to say कि when you cook iron kadhai mein sabziyan, it's better for your health. So I use iron kadhai. So yeah, I don't use steel or anything for sabzis. And simultaneously, I'm also cooking some macaroni for my brother and Shlok because they really like it. Evening time पे. So yeah, कढ़ाई गर्म होगी. I'll add oil, I'll add jeera and then the onion tomato paste for palak paneer. Guys, my macaroni is ready. जो मैं नहीं खाऊंगी because I'm too full already. But yeah, usually I have it in evening अगर मेरा मन हुआ gym के बाद. And यहाँ पे the puree is almost cooked. गाढ़ी हो चुकी है. Now I'll add the palak ka puree in this. So let's add it. There's more, don't worry, I'll do it. I need another hand also. So guys, I added the palak ka puree and now I'll add masalas. So we are gonna add haldi बहुत slight, mircha and jeera powder and dhania powder, and that's it. That's all, and namak obviously. Everything added, let's mix it and then I'll do a taste test. Agar sahi hai to I'll add paneer and then cook it for 2 minutes and then it's ready. Simple recipe ekdam. The gravy was tasting good, so I added the paneer. It's approximately 200 grams of paneer and then we will just mix everything, simmer pe cook karenge for 2 minutes and we are done. Guys, palak paneer is ready. It looks good. Yeah, अब मैं रात को इसको खाऊंगी with roti. I prefer it with roti. I don't like rice with this. So yeah, आटा already मला हुआ है, so no stress. It's around 6:37 and I'm going to the gym. So hi guys, so the vlog ended on a little rough note because जो आपने last clip देखी होगी of me going to the gym, working out. So while returning from gym, I and Shlok were going together. Obviously we go to the gym together. तो हम लौटते एक वॉच वाले के पास रुके थे बिकॉज आई ब्रोक माई वॉच का स्ट्रैप. सो हम उनके पास गए थे एंड एज सून एज वी गॉट आउट द बाइक there were 3 dogs who came to us and they were normal stray dogs, friendly enough initially. तो श्लोक उनके साथ खेल रहा था and I went ahead to give my watch. Then once I gave the watch, I came back to the bike and while he was still petting one of the dogs, I also petted him. Okay, I also pet him and then the other dog उसके पास में जैसे ही हाथ लेके जा रही थी, he ended up doing this and there was a lot of blood. My body went to a shock state and I initially fainted immediately on the road. मैं जैसे ही फेंट हुई तो जैसे ही ब्लड आना चालू हुआ, श्लोक डॉक्टर के पास चला गया, मेडिकल के पास चला गया एंड इन द वाइल आई वॉज ऑन द रोड फेंटेड. आजू बाजू वाले लोग आ गए थे, दे पुट हल्दी बिकॉज बगल में ही देयर वाज अ ग्रोसरी शॉप, they got हल्दी. Meanwhile Shlok came back, he picked me up, we went to the nearest hospital, then they did all this, got me 2 injections, one for tetanus, one for rabies. I still have my 4 doses of rabies left, which is one of them is today, then the consecutive 7 day, 15 day, 20 day, जो भी इनका tenure होता है. And talking about this, so first let me tell you, a lot of people will come at me saying you shouldn't have pet him because he was a stray and everything, but I love dogs. I still love dogs, but I'm a little scared of them now after this incident. And he was friendly at first, I don't know what happened, but he ended up biting me. So my center finger is in a good condition, it's hardly anything, it's gonna be fine. I'm just worried about my ring finger because there was extreme blood loss from the nail bed, because nail bed पे major bite था and दूसरा हड्डी के ऊपर था, right above my bone or side में, I don't know, because I was not in a state, I was crying and yeah, so it's still better now. 2 दिन पहले तो ऐसा स्टेट था कि I wasn't able to do anything. Right now at least I'm okay enough to be in front of camera and I couldn't I came back after the incident. I still had dinner because food was important and I was on my periods also, I worked out also, then I fainted and everything, so food was important. My brother cooked the roti and here's the clip of me eating. So I ended up eating the food, I had my dinner and then I slept. I couldn't actually sleep also whole night because of the pain. I had a combi flame then and I slept eventually. So I had a really rough day that day, the evening turned into a rough evening and right now I'm doing okay. This is one of the major reasons why I couldn't even post the video on Sunday. So even the Goa vlog is gonna come this Sunday. And yeah, that's it for today's video. It started on a good note, but I'm ending it like this. I'm so sorry for that. But I'm hoping for a speedy recovery so that I'm back with new videos, because doing it like this feels a little weird, but I really can't help it. So yeah, okay, so that's it. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Also the bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. Until next video, bye, take care.